tell area of perimeter. Sorry, area of square, area of rectangle, perimeter of square, perimeter of rectangle, area of triangle, circumference of circle, area of circle. 5 formulas, 5 to 6 formulas. Please.
And 6 formulas.
Yeah, 6 formulas. Come on, Lohini, please tell all the formulas once. I will write on screen. First, areas you tell, or else perimeters you tell. Area and perimeter. Okay, different figures we will go. For rectangle, we will do. For rectangle, length and breadth. What is area and what is perimeter? Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, area is length into breadth, ma'am.
Very good. Area is nothing but length into breadth. What about a perimeter?
Ma'am, 2 into length plus breadth. Ma'am, 2 into length plus breadth.
Yes, length plus breadth. If you add it, then you have to make as 2 times because opposite sides are equal in rectangle. Yes, hope it is clear, these 2 formulas, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Same way. Yeah. Suhana joined. Suhana, are you there, ma? Suhana, am I audible to you? I think some network issue with her. Okay, hope it is clear, children, about the rectangle.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Very
Not
good
square.
afternoon. Very good afternoon, Suhana. We just started the class about discussing about rectangle. Rectangle means opposite sides are equal, as we discussed. We know this about. And the area is nothing but length multiplied with breadth, and perimeter is nothing but length plus breadth multiplied with twice. You just add length and breadth and make as a twice, you will get perimeter of rectangle. This is about rectangle shape. Coming to square shape. What you know about square, children? Yes. Yes, Suhana. What do you know about? What you know about square? Yes. What you know about square?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's a quadrilateral.
It has 4 sides, ma'am.
Very good. It's a quadrilateral, and not only quadrilateral. Any other things you can? It's yes. It is a quadrilateral of equal length,
Yes,
equal sides. Equal sides means suppose if you take this side is A, other side is also A. Other side is A. So I want to find area and perimeter.
Yes, ma'am.
And so all the sides will copy one side.
Yes, ma'am. All sides should be
4 into
equal.
A into A is nothing but A square. We can write it as A square. Right, children? That's
Yes,
about
ma'am.
area. What about perimeter?
Ma'am, 2 into A plus A.
A plus A plus A plus A. How many A's
A
you
times
have?
4. A into 4.
A
Yeah,
into 4.
4 into A or 8, 4 times A.
4. 4A.
Yeah.
4A.
4A. You should not take a number first, not a variable, children. In multiplication, always you have to write numerical part, then a variable part. Yes, hope it is clear about a square.
Yes, ma'am.
Next part going to triangle. Triangle, if base and height is given, suppose this is your triangle. If base and height is given, base, this is base and height. Height means making perpendicular. Height is given. Then area of triangle is nothing but half of base multiplied with height. That means you just multiply base and height and make it as half. Then you will get area of triangle. Area of triangle when base and height is given. Perimeter means you can add up all the sides, children. Suppose this is 4 centimeters, this is 5 centimeters, this is 3 centimeters. Perimeter means sum of all the sides. Sum of all the sides. 5
Ma'am,
plus
12.
4. Yes, 12. Like that you can find out perimeter. This is about triangle. Coming to circle. What you know about circle, children? Circle is this
Ma'am,
circle.
circumference,
doesn't have
diameter and radius.
Yes, this is radius. If you take as a
Pi r
full,
square.
yes, very good. If you take this is a full length. If you take this as full length, what is this, children? Diameter D.
Yes,
Diameter.
ma'am, diameter.
Right.
Ma'am, can you give any diameter? We'll find its radius.
Yeah. Area is,
half.
Sorry,
area
not
is
radius.
nothing
The
but
area.
pi r square, where pi value is nothing but how much, children? Has said 22 by 7 or 3.14. We can use anything. That's why in our schools also Pi Day will be celebrated on 14th March. That's why 14th March, why they are celebrating pi value is 3.14. Perimeter or circumference, we can't take it here perimeter. We can call it as circumference. Circumference is nothing but perimeter of circle. But it is curved surface, that's why we call it as circumference. It's nothing but 2 pi r. These are the basic formulas we discussed in our previous class, children. Now,
Ma'am,
you
what is the difference between pi r square and 2 pi r, ma'am? Like, can you show an example?
okay, suppose if I want to find the boundary length. Boundary length means here this part of region. Boundary, just a boundary is nothing but circumference. Suppose area I want means the inside region is nothing but area. Now you understand, my dear?
Ma'am, not that, ma'am. Can you just give a number and explain like how it's different, ma'am?
Okay, yeah. Suppose if I'm taking this circle of radius 2 centimeters, I need to find area here.
Ma'am, area will be
Pi r square.
pi r
5
square.
means 22 by 7. R square means 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 88 by 7. You can do in a mixed. Like that you can find. If you divide, you will get area in square
1 minute, ma'am.
centimeters.
I'm dividing.
2s are 14. 4. 7. 5s are 35. Like that you will get, children. 5s are 35. 3 again you will get some extra square centimeters. This is about area. Coming to perimeter or circumference, we can't take it here. Circumference. Circumference is nothing but both are same words, Nana. 2 pi r. 2 means 20. Pi means 22 by 7. R value is 2 again. Here it is 2. Radius is given 2. So now again it is. Here in this case, both are same, children. But in some cases, all together it not same. Suppose, let me take another example. Now you understand, my dear, where is the boy Ashwath Reddy?
Ma'am, so that the inside part will be, for example, if 88 by 7 square,
Suppose,
and
no.
circumference will be 88 by 7.
Now you see, suppose what is this, my dear?
This radius, ma'am.
What is this?
Diameter.
Diameter sometimes given. Centimeter. You need to find radius. How much radius, children?
7.
3 by
Half of 14, which is 7.
7. Very good. Now you need to find the area of this square. Pi r square. You just
7 is 1 minute,
1 minute. No?
33, 30, 77, 49 into 22.
Ma'am, I didn't understand the perimeter and the area of the circle, ma'am. The
Yeah,
formula.
formula you're supposed to remember, Nana. This is area. Just listen. Once again, I'm helping for you. Pi value, as I said, 22 by 7. It is fixed, children. Pi value, any question, it is fixed. Some questions we are using pi as 27, or some points we are using 3.14. Both are same. R value is how much you are getting in this sum? 7. You just substitute. Here no number, denominator 7 ones are 7. Here 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14. 15. 154 square centimeters. Square centimeters. Now you see, my dear Sri Harsha, what is area formula? Area is pi r
Ma'am,
square.
I can't understand this formula, ma'am. The 22/7.
That is fixed, Nana. How your roll numbers are fixed like that.
Ma'am,
Pi
ma'am,
value.
ma'am, it's a 22 by, ma'am, we should divide 22/7 into this radius into radius.
Yes, yes. You should not. You just divide pi with. You just multiplied pi with radius. You just multiply pi with what number? Radius 2 times. Radius multiplied with radius. You will get.
Ma'am, we should do radius multiply radius, and with that we should do a multiplication of 5.
Pi value. Pi value you can use 22/7 or 3.4. This is fixed
Ma'am,
like
is
your
this
number.
area formula?
Yes, yes, ma'am. This is area. This is the area formula. Got it, Sriharsha?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Same way, perimeter in circle region, we can't take as a perimeter word because it is curved region. Because it is curved region, we can use the, what is the word we can use to find the perimeter? Circumference is the word. Circumference or perimeter, I will write, children. Circumference or
Ma'am, I
perimeter.
didn't understand here the division, ma'am.
I
Can
will,
you
don't
tell
worry,
again?
just yeah, I'll help you. See here, what is perimeter or circumference means 2 pi r. 2 multiplied with pi multiplied with r. 2 value is general, it's fixed. Pi value is 22/7. R value is how much R value you are getting in your from your question? 7. Yes. Now it
Ma'am,
is
and so there, what is the radius? With that we should divide with 22.
no ma, this is fixed pi value. You are
Okay.
just multiplying 2 with 5, pi with the radius.
Ma'am, near the answer, can you do this sum?
Yeah, okay, I'm doing it. Just now numerator I have 2 into 22 into 7. And the denominator I have only 7. 7 will cut here. 22 2 times 44. 44 centimeters. This is the perimeter or circumference C is equal to 44 centimeters.
Okay, ma'am.
Same way area. You have area also doubt. I will help you once again. Please remember. This is 7 centimeters. If you know radius, you can find easily your area. Area formula is pi multiplied with r square and r into r, Nana. R square means it's a powered values. I already said it's powered values. So 22 by pi value fixed 22/7. R is 7 into 7. Now you just see on numerator what you have and denominator what you have. 22 7s are 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14. 154 square centimeters or centimeters square. Both are same, children.
Ma'am, I understood, ma'am.
Okay. Shall we go with another bit right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is the 7th class you are learning, children. If you are not getting also, don't worry. But remember the thing, pi value, what is pi value? What
Ma'am, so centimeter, so for example, area and circumference are same, except for we'll calculate area in square, like 154 square.
how it is the same just before what you are getting for area you are getting as, suppose if I'm taking this circle, so what you are getting, so if I simplified area of pi r square 22/7 into
But in
pi
area
into
it's a pi r square, which for example 22
square
by 7.
centimeters. Suppose circumference C is equal to 2 into pi into r. 2 is 2 as usual. Pi is 22/7. R is radius is 7. 7 7 get cancelled here. 44,
Oh, okay, ma'am.
44 centimeters. This is different. This is different. Both are not same.
Okay, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Okay. Right, children. Don't worry because you have to
Yes,
learn.
ma'am.
Now we are learning. You need to store in your brain. Don't worry. If you're not getting also, ask me. I help you once again. Daksh, any doubt for you?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, I was having
Excuse me, ma'am.
an exam.
Oh,
of-
yeah. Suhana, how you wrote today your exam?
Ma'am,
Math?
excellent, super.
Wonderful, Suhana.
Yes,
What are
ma'am.
the,
Ma'am, can you ask her to share the paper?
can you share your question paper through chat
Yes,
box?
ma'am, 1 minute.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I
Super,
just,
excellent.
ma'am,
What Daksh?
ma'am, I'll come in half a second. Wait.
Sure, please.
Ma'am, he said he'll come in half a second, ma'am.
I meant half a minute.
Okay, I will wait only half second. It's already over.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what our textbook questions? Actually, we'll go with some part of textbook questions. Children, it is very easy. If you whatever the things are, we are completed more than that. Anyway, we will discuss the textbook.
Ma'am, can I give some IMO questions also?
Yes, please. Yes, please, in the area and perimeter, please share that. Take a photo and share with me so that we will discuss here.
Ma'am, phone is not available now. I'll send you in chat. Ma'am, first one. If the area, 1 minute, I'll type it down.
Yes, yes. Did you share more, Sohana?
Ma'am, Ashwath is sharing the questions
Yes,
in
ma'am,
chat.
1
ma'am.
minute.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Can you use the screen sharing option?
1 minute, Sohana. Sorry.
Okay, ma'am.
Sharing,
Ma'am,
not
Ma'am,
a
her
screen-
question.
Not a screen sharing, Nana. WhatsApp in chat box, you please share, Sohana.
You have to save that paper and then click on that file button in the chat.
Okay, let me open it.
Yeah, try it slowly. Try it, and meanwhile,
Okay.
yeah, what is given
Save
by
that in file.
Ashwath. Where is Ashwath? Ashwath, are you there?
Yes, ma'am, I'll share in chat.
What are you sharing?
No, in this chapter there are tricky questions. Okay, meanwhile we will go with some part of exercise, children. Please stay with me, children. Please stay with. Listen here, then we will see last your question papers and IMO papers too. And the question is find areas of rectangles whose sides. Very nice question. You can answer quickly, children. Rectangle is given. First bit. Yeah, length is 4 meters and breadth is 3 meters. What is area?
12 meters.
12. 4 3s are 12. 12. What is
Ma'am,
12 meters.
12 meter. Ma'am, in my question paper, last question that is, ma'am, that question is so tough, ma'am.
Oh, what is the question? We didn't discuss the other day.
Ma'am, can I tell the question?
Wait, let me complete. And last 5 minutes we will discuss, children. Last, okay. Next question. 1 minute. Now the question goes to Hare. Who is Lohini? Are you there, Lohini?
Yes, ma'am.
Length equal to 12 meters, width equal to 21. Sorry, length equal to 21 meters, width equal to 12 meters. What is the area?
21 and 12.
Yes.
21
First-
into 12,
Very good. Very good.
which is 252.
Very good. 200 and
52.
52.
210 plus 24. 210 plus 24.
I'm correct, ma'am. She said.
252. Very good. All right, children. Right. 252 water. Units are very important. Or else I will write
Excuse me, ma'am.
252 meters.
square meters. Area is
Ma'am,
always.
Sriharsha is singing, ma'am.
No, Suhana is singing.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, ma.
Ma'am, I'm not even send in chat box, ma'am.
No, wait.
Or else share with me personally, Suhana, so that we
Okay,
can
ma'am.
please share.
You just have to save that paper and fine.
Okay, let me.
Let her share as she, because there
Take
is a
photos.
1 minute, children.
Yes, ma'am, 1 minute.
1 minute, a minute the time, please give me. I need to see tomorrow's schedule. Okay. Yeah. Right, children. Next part. Sri Harsha, please read your question louder.
Oh.
Ma'am, the question is, ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am.
You should have kept it open when you have a question. No?
Yeah. Or else your way.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Suhana.
Ma'am, can I share it after the class because I don't
Ma'am,
have a
the
mobile
question
now.
is,
Okay.
ma'am,
We'll have to discuss in class, right?
excuse me, ma'am, the question is,
Excuse me, ma'am. I'm
One
telling that.
minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, Sri Harsha. Suhana, okay. If you are not able to do right now, please you can share after the class also.
Ma'am, after the class, I'll send you. Tomorrow's class, we will discuss the paper.
Sure, Suhana.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Right. Next, go to Sri Harsha. Come on, Sri Harsha.
ma'am, the question is the length of a rectangle field is twice its breadth. A man jogged around it 5 times and covered a distance of 3 kilometers. What is the length of field? What
Once
value?
again, slowly, we have to step by step read. Length is twice
Okay.
the breadth. Length is,
Ma'am, the length of the rectangular field is twice of the breadth.
breadth if you take as x, length is 2x. Okay. Okay.
A man jogged around it 5 times and covered the distance of 3 kilometers.
Okay. 5 times jog cheste.
Wh-
5 rounds
What,
jog cheste. 1 minute, Nana. 5 rounds jog is nothing but equal to 3 kilometers. Okay.
ma'am,
Next.
not 5 rounds, ma'am, 5 times.
That means 5 rounds. 5 times means what, children?
Ma'am, 5 rounds.
Yeah, 5 times means 5 rounds he is jogging
Yes,
around
ma'am.
the rectangular field. Come on.
One time it was
Ma'am,
1 round.
What
What
is,
is length and
ma'am,
breadth?
what is the length of the field?
Very good question. Excellent question. Once if, suppose if you take breadth as x, twice the length means 2x. Length is 2x and breadth is x. Wonderful question actually. Listen. Suppose if he is jogging around the field means you need to find a perimeter. First of all, listen, Nana. Perimeter is nothing but how much? 2 times length plus breadth. 2 times length plus breadth. 2 times length is 2x plus breadth is x. So here 2 into 2x plus 1x together 3x. Here 2 3s are 6x. This is only perimeter for 1 round. But how many rounds he made? 5 rounds. So 6 5s are 6 5s are 6 5s are 30.
Ma'am,
30x
I
equal to
didn't,
1 minute.
ma'am, I didn't understand why did you got 3x, ma'am?
Nana, okay. Here what is numerical coefficient x before? Here
Ma'am,
2.
ma'am means you added the length and breadth.
Numerical coefficient means here x coefficient, both are like fractions. Since here x, both are like, you need to add the coefficients of numerics. So
Okay,
here
ma'am.
now number means 1 you have. 2 plus 1, how much?
Ma'am, 3
3. What is variable here? Common variable.
x.
So that's why you are getting as 3x. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So now it is 3x, but this is only for 1 round he did 6x. But 5 rounds means how much distance? 5 rounds means 5 into 6x.
Ma'am,
30x.
ma'am, 3,000 meters, ma'am.
Very good. Here 3 kilometers means 3000 meters he walked. Now you have to find the value of x. X equal to 3000. 3000 by 30 If you cancel 3 ones are 100. 100 meters x value. 100 meters x value. So length is 100, breadth is 100 meters, means what about length, Nana?
Ma'am, 200.
That's all, 200 meters.
Ma'am,
Understood?
1 minute, ma'am. I'll take a screenshot.
Okay. Slowly, Nana, first general thinking is important here. Yeah, suppose you are jogging, you just imagine you are jogging a field. It is in rectangle shape, but condition is given. Length is twice its breadth. Length we don't know, breadth we don't know. So take it, unknown things you can take it as variables. So breadth I'm taking as x and length is twice x. Jogging around the field means always you need to take perimeter. Perimeter is nothing but 2 times length plus breadth. So 2 times 2x plus x is 2x and x are like terms. You can add up constants and put common variable. 2 and 1 is 3x. 2 into 2, 3x is nothing but 6x. This is only one round you are jogging, but like that 5 rounds he is doing. He is doing how many rounds? 5 rounds. So you
5
just
rounds.
multiply with 5. So
Yes,
that
ma'am.
6 into 5 is 30x. 30x here 3 kilometers. How much kilometers he 5 rounds he jogged?
Ma'am, how did we get 6?
6 ma. Here 2 into 3, how much, Nana? What is formula for yeah? What is formula for yes? What is formula for perimeter? 2 times length plus breadth. So that's why 2 into 3 is 6. You will get, Nana.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts still, please let me know so that I can
Ma'am, I
help
gave
on-
one
No,
question in the
ma'am.
chat.
No doubt.
Very good, Sohana. Yes. Other students, please.
Ma'am, I gave one question in the chat.
Yes, ma'am. Ashwath gave.
1 minute, 1 minute. I will take that.
Yes, ma'am. He is giving.
Ma'am, you can give to random people.
Yeah, yeah. No, children, such a question, so we need to discuss means every child also will think because it's a challenging question. Really,
Yes,
I'll
ma'am.
appreciate Sriharsha to share such a questions.
Ma'am, Ashwath, ma'am.
No, so just before Sriharsha only shared the question.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
This is really a nice question. You need to practice such a challenging questions. As usual, length, breadth.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, but in this question,
Hmm.
I did like, ma'am, for this 6 into 6x into 5 is there, no, ma'am? This 5 we take that side means it will be division means
No,
this.
no, don't take here. Multiplication will happen. Means you have to multiply the numbers first.
Ma'am, first, ma'am, I divided the 3000 and then 5, ma'am, it came 600 and I divided
With
the
6.
6,
Wonderful. Correct, Nana. That is
the
also correct.
600, ma'am.
That is also correct.
6 to the 600, ma'am, it is 100, that is breadth, ma'am, and twice of 100 is 200, that is length.
Very good, very good, very good, Harsha. Very good. Please practice such a challenging questions always. Always welcomes you, children. If you have any such a difficulties while you are doing, please get those bits. Because I'll appreciate Sri Harsha for patiently he is asking doubt and till he is thinking and he is a backup teacher. That's a really appreciable thing. If you habitate such a things once clarified means you can independently do your tasks, children. Okay, Lohini, you understand the above question? If anyone have doubt, please let me know. Anyway, okay, here I got a question from.
Ma'am, I gave only one question. The next question.
Ma'am, is side divided by.
Okay, నిమిషం, Nana. Just a minute. Someone is waiting in the wait room. I know.
Manoj sir.
Let it be. Now, what you have, children, here actually is yeah, other question is shared in your chat box. Any doubt here?
No, ma'am.
Any doubt
Ma'am.
here? Yes.
Ma'am, after discussing the question paper, will you keep the quiz?
Last 5 minutes I will give. Don't worry about the quiz part, children. This is only the logical thinking what you have. Length and breadth relation is given, children. Length is twice breadth. We don't know what is length, what is breadth. So take it as breadth as x and length you take it as 2 times x. Why 2 times x? Length is twice its breadth. It is given in your question. Now go with your because the rectangular field he is jogging. Jogging means you need to take only perimeter, not inside. Jogging means like around the fence field only he is jogging, right, children? Around the
Yes, ma'am.
so that you can take perimeter. We know that perimeter formula 2 times length plus breadth. Length we know that as 2x, breadth we know that as x. 2x plus x gives 3x. So that's why I'm taking 3x into 2 because these are like terms, Sana. 2x and x are like terms. That's why we can combine. If any unlike terms, we can't combine.
We can't.
Yes, 2x plus 1x. That means 2 apples plus 1 apple gives how much? It's 3 apples. The
Yeah.
same 2x plus x is a like terms.
She can private chat.
We can combine how the coefficients we need to add. 2 plus 1 is 3. Common variable is x. So 3x. 2 times x is 3x. Now perimeter you are getting as 6x. One, not only he is jogging around how many rounds, children? 5 rounds. So that's why I multiplied with 5 here. 6x into 5. 6 into 5, how much, children?
Ma'am, 30.
30x. Now coming to this distance, after jogging 5 rounds, what is the distance he covered? 3 kilometers. It is also given in your question. So 3 kilometers you have to convert into meters. 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. We
Ma'am,
know that.
3000 meters.
That's why I equated to 3000. Now you have to 30x equal to 3000 meters. X you need to find out. Obviously, left side to right side, if you go, it is multiplication becomes come under division. That's why you are dividing with 30 here. You are getting x value as 3000 by 30 gives 100 meters. X is what we are imagining x value as breadth. So x is 100 meters. Length is 2 times 100. 2 times 100 is 200.
Ma'am, 200.
That's all, children. Really challenging question. I'll appreciate Sri Harsha. Good. Please get like challenging questions. We will discuss. But our textbook questions says length, you know, breadth, you know, you need to find perimeter. Direct
Ma'am,
questions.
this question is an addition also.
Okay, fine, children. You have to prepare such a challenging questions. Makes you lot of thinking. Once you're able to think with your own, you can do the solutions your own. Okay, and 1 minute, children. Other student shared one more question. I want to discuss.
Ma'am,
that.
Ashwath, ma'am.
1 minute, sir.
Actually, if you want to give option, please give it in the.
Hello, sir. Namaste, sir. Hello, sir. Namaste. Okay, not sure. Sorry, sir. Yeah, where you shared, ma? You're shared in your chat box.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yes,
Namaste.
sir.
Namaste, students. How are you all?
Sir,
Good evening,
fine.
sir. How are you, sir?
Good evening, sir. How are you?
Good evening. Good evening. Thank you very much. Yatharth, how are you, beta?
Sir, I'm fine, sir.
Okay, good. All are requested to please participate in the class. Do you get doubt clarified? Any
Yes,
difficulty?
sir.
Yeah, please get it clarified. And ma'am, please ask question. Those who are not interacting in the class,
Sure,
please
sir.
ask multiple questions to them.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, thank you very much, ma'am. Please continue.
Yeah, thank you, sir. But 6th class, everyone are interactive, sir. Those good
Ma'am, can you
students.
give a quiz?
Yeah, I'm seeing.
Ma'am?
Yeah.
Ma'am, I sent
Yes.
it you a question, ma'am. Ava bought 72 apples.
Hmm.
Can you explain me that question?
Lohini, you sent through chat, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 1 minute, Lohini. Once we will see that the boy sent by Ashwath. Let me see the question. Little later, I'll go with yours. Yeah, if area of rectangle is equal to area of square. Wonderful. The area of rectangle is equal to area of square. And the length square and the length of the rectangle is equal to perimeter of square. Length equal to perimeter. Okay. Length equal to perimeter of square. Then breadth of rectangle is yes. Okay. Breadth of rectangle is how much?
And
Okay.
side, I don't know.
No, here you see very carefully, you observe, Nana.
Ma'am, I have the answer, ma'am.
Okay, please. Till then. Yeah, please tell others, share with others. Let me read once again the question. If
hard, ma'am.
area of rectangle is equal to the area of square. If area of rectangle is equal to area of square. And the length of rectangle is equal to perimeter of square. Then the breadth of rectangle is. Then the breadth of rectangle is. Wonderful question. So area of equal to area of square means L into B equal to A into A. So both the length into breadth, whatever you are taking, area and square, both are same. Suppose if you take 4 into 4, what means children? 4 square is
16.
here. If you take as a perimeter, 2 times length plus 1 minute. Just a minute. Okay, area of rectangle is equal to area of square. And the length of rectangle is equal to perimeter of square. Length of rectangle L equal to perimeter means 4 into side. And then breadth of rectangle is. Yes. Yeah, how we supposed to do? Let me go with a question with through. Yeah. Now you see, children. What is first condition, children? Area of rectangle equal to?
Area of square.
So areas are equal. Areas are equal. Okay. And other question is given by? What is other condition is given? Length of rectangle is equal to perimeter of square. Length of rectangle is equal to perimeter of,
Perimeter square.
yeah, perimeter means suppose if you take as x here, so 4 times x.
X into 4.
X into 4 or 4 into x.
4
That's
into
all.
X.
Yeah, now coming to the other part, what is the areas are equal means you have to equate here length into breadth equal to x into x square. So in place of L, you can place it as 4x into breadth equal to x square. Here x both sides will be cancelled. Breadth if you want to find out side by 4 nana, side divided by 4 you should do. Very basic question. It's option. Option C is correct, my dear Ashwath.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, if area of rectangle is 16 meters square. Okay. And then which of the following may not be possible dimensions of rectangle? Okay, here the dimensions are given as
I'm very easy.
8 twos are 16. Okay, possible. 16 ones are 16 possible.
Possible.
32 by 1 by 2 is possible. Yes, it is also 16.
Ma'am, but the next one will give it will give 17, ma'am.
That's why last option D is not possible. Next, last question. A rectangle sheet measures 43 and which of the following is the best estimation? Estimation means if you go with 31, you can take next number. This you can take it as 43. 43 multiplied with 31. 43 multiplied with 31. 43 multiplied with 31.
2 and 86, 62.
31. So 31 threes are 93.
Plus
31 fours are
3.
4 threes are 124 plus 9. 133.
Ma'am, 1333.
Okay, that much big value you have here. Just a minute. Decimal point we have to take. Yes. What is measures? Okay. Length is given 43. Breadth is which of the following best estimate? Perimeter, Nana. It's not area. We are doing area here. They're asking about perimeter. 43 plus 43. 40 plus 40. How much? 80. 86. Here 31 plus 31. 62. 86. 86 plus 62. Enta Nana? 86 plus 62. 86 plus 62. 8 and 12, 13, 14, 148. Okay, let me check with answers.
Oh, yeah. 148.
Yeah, 140.
Ma'am, B.
Yes, correct, children. That's all. How you are estimated means 43.1. 15 means we can go around with 43 only, children. Next, 30. 30.7 can be approximately rounded with 31. Why? Because point after, okay, here
Yes,
5
ma'am.
is there. We are rounding down only. We should round up also, Nana. 43.15 can be round up to
40.
3.2, or else we will directly write it as what is that Ashwath, if square and rectangle have equal areas. Is it another question? Yes, where is the
Ma'am, I
right?
think it's C option, ma'am.
No, what we are doing is correct only, Nana.
Oh,
What we are doing is absolutely correct. Next, another question is shared. A square and rectangle have equal areas. If each side of square is 18 meters and the width is 12 centimeters, find perimeter of rectangle. If each side of square is 18, width is 12, find perimeter of rectangle. Easy only, right? This is a square has equal rectangle areas. So you can divide with the square root. I think after doing this, square root of that number you're supposed to find 18 into 12. 18 into 12, how you supposed to do, Nana? Square root 18 into 12. So you can make as a pairs like this can be written as 9 into 2. This can be written as
ma'am, 216, ma'am.
2 into 6. So here this will, if I'm taking outside 3, this I'm taking outside 2. 6 can be written as 1 minute.
Ma'am, 216, ma'am, 18 into 12.
Perimeter you're supposed to find out.
Oh,
Perimeter. Square and rectangle have equal areas. Okay. Each side of square is 18. Square 18 means width of rectangle is given. Okay. So 18 into 18 by 12. If you do, you will get length, children. 18 into 18 by 12. 18 into 18 by 12. 18 into 18 by 12. If you will do, you will get 6 2s are 6 3s are. Again 2 1s are 2 9s are 9 3s
ma'am,
are
27.
27 వచ్చి ఎంత నాన్న length. Breadth already given. Breadth is given as how much? Breadth is given as breadth or width is given as 12. 12. So width is given as 12. Now you need to find out the width or breadth is given. Perimeter. Perimeter means length plus breadth 2 times. 27, 37, 38, 39 into 2. 39 2 times ఎంత నాన్న? 42 times 80. 80 minus 2, 78. 78 nana perimeter.
Yes, ma'am.
That's all. And let me check with Lohini also shared some part of question. We will see Lohini.
Eva. Wait.
No, I actually got.
You got ma?
Yes, no, it's just about subtracting it.
Okay.
Ma'am, now can we do the
Quiz?
quiz?
1 minute, Nana. Children are waiting. Who is outing and coming back continuously? So, maybe network issue. These questions are quite interesting questions. Very good. Well done. Very good.
Ashwath.
Ashwath, good.
Excuse me, ma'am. What was going in the class? I was having a power cut in my home.
Yeah, nothing. There are few questions shared, challenging questions with us. So we
Okay,
are
ma'am.
discussing. Okay.
Ma'am,
Can we do
ma'am,
quiz
I
now?
know one question. Ma'am, in perimeter and area, can I tell?
Oh, okay. Please, please.
Ma'am, it's the relation between the perimeter and area, that one, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
Ashwath sent another question, ma'am.
Please tell.
Last question, ma'am. It's the
Ma'am,
last.
ma'am, the question is the 18 and 24, ma'am.
Length is 18, Nana.
Ma'am, perimeter.
Just before what we did, that one you are asking.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am.
Hey, Harsha, which question you are asking? Just let
Ma'am,
me know.
I'm telling about the fact HCF and the LCM, the relation between the LCM.
Oh, very good. Product of two numbers is nothing but a HCF multiplied with LCM. Very good.
Yes,
Very good.
ma'am.
Very good, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I tell one question?
Part of your homework. Okay. Yeah, here the question is 1 minute, Nana. Here the
Thin
question
wire. A thin
thin
wire
wire.
is
48
thin-
centimeters long, bent into a rectangle. Very good. Okay, then perimeter is 48. Breadth of rectangle is 1/3 its length. So if breadth is you are taking as x, you are taking as length. 1/3 of x is its breadth. What is the area of? Wonderful question. Wonderful. Let me take. So one wire is there, children. What is the length of wire? 48.
48 centimeters.
This wire can be reshaped into rectangle. So this reshaped means fence perimeter is 48 centimeters we are getting. But length and breadth relation is given. If you take a length as x, breadth is given as 1/3 of x. Yes, children. Now perimeter, we know that perimeter means 2 into length plus breadth. X plus 1/3 into x equal to 48. Yes, now you need to see here.
Ma'am, how is this, ma'am?
Huh?
Ma'am,
How?
can you again how did the two brackets x plus 1/3 x came?
What is perimeter of rectangle, my dear? Perimeter is nothing but
48 centimeters, ma'am.
2 into length plus breadth, right? 2 into length plus breadth. Length is how much we are taking? X we are taking. Breadth is x by 3.
1/3 into x.
Or else x by 3. Directly also
One.
you can write it as x by 3. Don't
Yes,
worry. It's nothing but 48. Now you just
48.
send it to first other side. X by 3 equal to 48 by 2. 48 Sagamantanana 1, 4, 4, 2, 4, 24. Now you need to find x value. To find x value,
Ma'am,
how
8.
to do cross multiplication. 3x plus LCM nana x by 3 equal to 24. So 4x equal to 24 into 3 cross multiplication. X I want 24 into 3 by 4. 4 how many times? 4 5s are 4 6 are 24. So 6 3s are 18. 18 what, children? 18 is nothing but here where is rectangle? 18 is length. Breadth means 1/3 of length means 6 centimeters.
Yes, ma'am.
Only the thinking you should whether a wire is given
Ma'am,
straight.
then what is the area of the rectangle it's given?
Length is given, breadth is given. Length 6 into 18. 18 6 are enta nana? 18 5s are 90. 18 6 are 108 square centimeters.
Okay, ma'am. I'll just take a screenshot. I didn't.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you give me this? It's 5:56.
What's time now, children? I need
Ma'am,
other
5:56.
student.
I'm only 4 or 5 minutes is left.
I will just share link and I will left you. Can you play?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you
Okay,
make me? Ma'am, can you make me that? Ma'am.
Don't worry. Don't no need. Just you click
Ma'am,
on.
you can just end the meeting, ma'am.
Yeah. No need of
Ma'am, don't
fighting
end
for
it.
that. Fighting for link and everything. We will just play the quiz. Yes, Suhana. Suhana.
Harsha sang right now.
Yes, ma'am.
Suhana, you are nice singer.
Ma'am, Sri Harsha, ma'am.
Sri Harsha is singing.
Yes, ma'am.
He is a nice singer.
I think class 7, there is one beautiful singer is there. He was many songs. I am asking continuously the boy to sing,
Please do sing.
which is your chapter is. This is the perimeter and area and perimeter.
Perimeter and area. We're going to give 7th grade 1. I mean 8th grade 1.
I give 7th grade.
Yes, ma'am, it's okay.
You feel
Or
tough.
except
I will
What is
see.
that sound, ma'am?
Huh?
it's her typing. It's her typing. The mobile makes that.
I'm sharing my screen. 10 questions. Shall I share with you or else more than 10?
Ma'am, your wish, ma'am.
I'm more than 10, ma'am. Please.
Okay, 15 questions I'm sharing with you, children.
I'm more than 15, ma'am. Please.
15 I'm sharing. Please do.
Ma'am, give him 100 questions.
Yes,
Tomorrow
ma'am. More than 100 questions, ma'am. Please.
One day I will definitely give more than 100 also. Because class 8 students are, I am not taking children because of 10th class exam evaluation is going on.
Ma'am, from long
I
time,
gave back
Suriksha and
the
Jaydev
back
were not joining now, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have more 2 minutes.
Okay, I'm just not taking a many classes.
Ma'am will leave, but we can stay in the class. Ma'am, you can.
Just I will share the link, children. I will just leave so that
Yes,
you,
ma'am.
you people can play, but don't make a noise in the group, children.
Ma'am,
Because
who will you give host?
Ma'am, can you make me the host, ma'am?
What about me?
Ma'am, you can make Manoj sir the host.
Excuse me, ma'am.
I will give today part. Yes, yes, Sohana, you are telling something, please.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Please join quickly, children. Yes,
Ma'am, ma'am, I
Yes,
want to
yes.
give you 1 minute. Can I?
Okay,
1 minute, ma'am.
okay, come on, come on. Kit is lit.
I'm
I think-
sorry.
Who is
I
that?
have to join.
Daksh. Yadar, the Krish, who is Krish?
Ma'am, me, ma'am. It's my nickname.
Ma'am, he's a superhero now.
Oh,
ma'am.
okay, Krish is a nickname of Ashwat.
Yes, ma'am. The reason is,
Where is Lohini, Drona, and other students?
Ma'am, it's
ma'am, the
loading and
reason,
loading.
ma'am, can I end the reason?
Yes, ma, I'm here.
Yes, ma'am.
Type in
The
the
reason
chat
is,
box.
what has to be broken before you can use it?
I'm
What
not
has to
getting
be?
Suhana.
Broken before you can use it.
Broken.
Yes. What do
Egg.
you
It is egg. It is egg.
I want to give you 1 more minute.
Okay.
Yeah. I am tall when I am young. I am short when I'm old. What am I?
Pencil.
No.
It. Okay. When we sharpen pencil, it is an old pencil. Then it will become sharp.
No. Pencil is not that.
Children, please join for the quiz. I'm leaving because other
Ma'am, can you
classes.
Ma'am,
make
do
me
you know the answer?
Yes, please
Ma'am,
join.
please give me the host.
Okay, Invisible, Queen Elizabeth. I think these two are Lohini and Sohana.
Ma'am, no, ma'am, me, ma'am.
Ma'am, we are old. Ma'am, we are. Wait, we are short.
Yadhad and Drona. Okay, I will start, children. Bye.
Yeah, I know the answer. I got it.
You searched on Google. Probably.
It is candle.
Correct answer.
Candle, what?
Candle. Just candle.